Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by washing and drying your hands thoroughly to remove oils and debris. This prevents irritation and infection. Sit at a well-lit mirror and lean forward so your chin rests slightly toward your chest. This makes the lens sit more stably. Look straight ahead and blink a few times to center the lens on the cornea. Once it's centered, use your non-dominant hand to hold the upper lid and the other hand to gently pull the lower lid down, preparing for the next motion. You now focus on a controlled slide and pinch motion because abrupt moves cause tearing or loss of the lens. First, use your index finger to nudge the lens slightly down onto the white part of your eye. This separates it from the cornea. Next, bring your thumb toward the index finger and apply gentle, steady pressure to capture the lens between them, not enough to hurt, just to grip. Once gripped, withdraw the lens straight out and place it into solution or on your fingertip if you'll use a storage case. Complete the process by inspecting the lens for tears or debris and then store it in fresh solution. Do not reuse old solution. Rinse and empty your case daily and let it air dry to reduce microbes. If the lens feels stuck, stop and apply a rewetting drop or two, blink, and wait 30 to 60 seconds before trying again. This restores moisture and releases suction. If persistent pain, redness, or blurry vision occurs after removal, contact your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.